Hey, to set photo as a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all you will have to open the Galaxy Wearable application on your phone. Next, you will have to move into the watch faces, and right now you will have to actually search for photo watch face. So it will be visible right here in the basic, and here you can find the photos. So you have to tap on it once. Now you have to click customize and then go for the background. Then you can pick here and you can actually add something from your gallery, or you can right now take the photo. In my case, I'm gonna add something from my gallery. And as you can see, I have to go into the photos. And here I can actually find some photos. So maybe I will try to pick, for example, this photo as my watch face. So I have to just tap on it. And now I can click done. Then I can actually change size of this photo. For example, I'm gonna get it like this. And additionally, we can change the brightness, exposure, contrast, and highlights by moving this to the left or the right side. And if you finish with editing and applying size, click done. Now just wait for it and click save. After a few moments, you will find your own photo as a watch face on your Galaxy Watch FE. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.